Hello, my friends. Today we have a very helpful and practical episode. In this lesson, I will show you the different types of shadowing. I will show you what they look like and how each one works. You will learn how to do them, when to use them, and how they help your English. We will talk about shadowing with no pause, shadowing with a small pause, shadowing with soft voice, and shadowing with focus on meaning. Each one helps you in a different way. And today, you will understand all of them in simple English. And after we learn the types, we will practice together. I will speak slowly and you will follow my voice. We will train your listening, your speaking, and your confidence at the same time. So, take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and get ready. Shadowing is simple. It is effective. It will help you speak better English, starting today. Let's begin. So, what is shadowing? Shadowing is very simple. It means listening to a speaker and talking at the same time. You follow their voice like a shadow follows a person. This is why we call it shadowing. When you shadow, you listen and speak at the same time. You do not stop. You do not think too much. You do not translate. You follow the sound, the music, and the flow. Shadowing trains your mouth. Shadowing trains your ears and your brain. But shadowing is not just one thing. There are different types, and each type helps in a different way. Let's talk about them slowly, clearly, and with examples. The first type of shadowing is immediate shadowing. This is the basic and most common type. You listen to the speaker and speak at the same time. There is no pause. You follow word by word. For example, if the speaker says, "I'm walking to the store," you say, "I'm walking to the store," immediately as you hear. It feels fast in the beginning. Your mouth may feel slow. Your brain may say, "Hey, this is too much." But with practice, it becomes easy. It builds fluency and rhythm very fast. The second type of shadowing is called echo shadowing. In this type, you wait just 1 second before speaking. You listen, you let the sentence enter your ear, then you repeat it like a soft echo. This type is great for beginners because you have a small moment to breathe and understand. It still builds fluency, but with less pressure. The third type of shadowing is called content shadowing. In this type, you listen to a full sentence. You understand the meaning, and then speak it again quickly in your own voice. It is not exact copying. It is copying the idea and the natural tone. So, if the speaker says, "I woke up early today because I wanted to exercise," you say, "I woke up early because I wanted to exercise." Same sentence with a very small change. This type helps you sound calmer, more natural, and more expressive. It connects listening to speaking. The fourth type of shadowing is called whisper shadowing. Sometimes you want to practice, but don't want to be loud. Maybe you are in a cafe, or in bed, or next to someone else. Whisper shadowing is perfect. You follow the speaker's voice, but you whisper. It still trains your mouth and rhythm. It still wakes up your speaking muscles. It still improves your English. Now, how does shadowing help you? Shadowing gives you many benefits. Let me explain them in simple English. First, shadowing improves your listening. You start to hear English in a new way. You notice stress, tone, music, and connection between words. Second, it improves your fluency. Because you speak without stopping, your mind stops translating. You think less. You speak more. Third, it trains your mouth muscles. English has a special sound, and your mouth learns to move like a native speaker. Fourth, it builds confidence. After 5 or 10 minutes of shadowing, you feel stronger, you feel faster, and you feel more connected to English. Fifth, it makes you active, not passive. Instead of just listening to a podcast, you join the speaker. You become part of the conversation. This is why shadowing is one of the most powerful tools for English learners in the world. All right, now let me show you how to do shadowing correctly. I will guide you step by step. Step 1. Choose audio that is simple, clear, and slow. Maybe this podcast, maybe a short YouTube video, maybe a small story. Play it. Listen for a few seconds and start talking with the speaker. Do not worry about mistakes. Do not worry about perfect grammar. Do not stop. Do not think too much. Just follow, just copy, just move your mouth. This is the magic. And now, my friend, let's practice together. I will speak slowly. You will shadow me however you like. Immediate, echo, whisper, anything you like. Ready? Listen and speak with me. I am learning English every day. I am learning English every day. Shadowing helps me speak more naturally. Shadowing helps me speak more naturally. I do not translate in my head. I do not translate in my head. I follow the rhythm of English. I follow the rhythm of English. My listening becomes stronger. My listening becomes stronger. I am growing step by step. I am growing step by step. I feel more confident today. I feel more confident today. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. Good. Let's try a slightly longer practice. Listen and shadow. Every day, I try to use English for a few minutes. Every day, I try to use English for a few minutes. I listen to a short audio and follow the speaker's voice. I listen to a short audio and follow the speaker's voice. I repeat the words and I repeat the tone. I repeat the words and I repeat the tone. This helps me understand real English. This helps me understand real English. Good job, my friend. You are doing something amazing today. Now, let's try a final round. This one is a little bit more natural. I don't need to be perfect. I don't need to be perfect. I only need to be consistent. I only need to be consistent. Shadowing helps me feel the language. Shadowing helps me feel the language. All right. You can shadow anywhere. In your room, in the kitchen, on a walk, while cleaning, while waiting for the bus. Start with 5 minutes a day, then try 10, and then 15. This small daily practice changes everything. So do it every day. Do it anywhere. Do it with easy English or harder English. Do it for 5 minutes or 20 minutes, but just do it, okay? If you stay consistent, you will feel the change. Your English will grow, your fluency will grow, and your confidence will grow. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I am so proud of your effort. You are doing something many people are afraid to do. You are improving, you are growing, and you are moving forward. Bye for now.